Hey everyone, welcome back to Real Facts Daily, where we uncover jaw-dropping truths about the world and beyond. Today, we're diving into the cosmos to explore 10 shocking facts about the universe that will blow your mind. Let's get started. Fact 1. Did you know our Milky Way galaxy is on a collision course with the Andromeda galaxy? It's true, but don't worry, it won't happen for another 4.5 billion years. When it does happen, the two galaxies will merge into one gigantic galaxy, creating a kaleidoscope of newly formed star clusters and nebulae. Fact 2. Black holes are some of the most fascinating objects in the universe. Regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Some black holes spin at nearly the speed of light, over 670 million miles per hour. At that speed, the very fabric of space-time is warped and twisted. Fact 3. The Sun is so massive that it accounts for 99.86% of the total mass in our solar system. It burns through 600 million tons of hydrogen every second. That's like consuming 9,000 Earths worth of fuel every second. What an incredible engine. Fact 4 is regarding International Space Station. Orbital outpost. Astronauts on the ISS see 16 sunrises and sunsets every day because it orbits Earth every 90 minutes. Fact 5 is about universe expansion. The great unfolding. The universe is expanding and the expansion is accelerating. Scientists believe this is due to dark energy, a mysterious force that makes up about 60% of the universe. It's one of the biggest mysteries in all of science. Fact 6. Neutron stars. Stellar remnants. Neutron stars are the collapsed cores of massive stars that have exploded as supernovae, and a sugar cube of neutron star material would weigh about 1 billion tons on Earth. Fact 7. The Moon is slowly drifting away from Earth at a rate of about 1.5 inches per year, and in a few billion years, total solar eclipses will be a thing of the past. Fact 8. Comets are like cosmic time capsules, remnants from the early solar system. Halley's Comet, for example, won't be visible again until 2061. Fact 9. Some scientists believe our universe might just be one of many in a multiverse. That means there could be infinite versions of you living infinite different lives. Fact 10. Every atom in your body was forged in the heart of a dying star. You are a part of this grand cosmic story. And there you have it, 10 mind-blowing facts about the universe. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Real Facts Daily for more fascinating content every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay curious.